Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make Dimmer Devil. It's a very popular egg recipe which can be served as an evening snacks or can be enjoyed as a starter before your lunch or dinner. I have used chicken, but if you like, you can use paneer, soya buri or even with mashed potato for stuffing. Before you start, please take a moment to subscribe. Okay, let's see what we have in our kitchen. Welcome to Wang Chef. We have 3 eggs. Let's add some hot water to it and add some salt. Boil it for 10 minutes in high flame. Add these boiled eggs to the chilled water as it will help removing its shells very easily. To remove its shell, first gently break it into many pieces and slowly peel it off. As we have used salt while boiling, the shell will come out without any trouble. Now, with each Dimmer Devil, we need half of an egg. With help of a thread, we'll cut it into 2 pieces. To stuff the Dimmer Devil, we need 2 spoons of ketchup, maida 200 grams, grated chicken 200 grams, breadcrumbs 50 grams, garam masala powder 1 spoon, red chili powder 1 spoon, sugar 1 spoon, cumin and coriander powder 1 spoon, salt to taste. We will take 1 medium-sized onion and we will finely chop it. If you do that, the onion will be mixed with masala nicely, and while having it, you will get nice flavor and taste. Now take 8 to 10 pieces of garlic cloves and we will chop it finely. We will also have 3 pieces of green chili and finely chop it. You can get chilies as per your preference and taste. We need 10 grams of ginger. We will chop it nicely. I preferred chopped ginger over the paste because it will feel nice while we have it. We also need a lemon. We will chop a small bunch of coriander leaves for the flavor. We also have pudina leaves. Let's chop that too. We have 1 medium-sized boiled potato. Let's mash it nicely. In a kadai, add 2 spoons of oil and once it is hot, add chopped garlic and chopped ginger. Saute it for some time. Now add chopped onion and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Add chopped chilies and salt. Mix it well. Now add mashed chicken and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Add red chili powder, coriander and cumin powder, garam masala powder and sugar. Now give it a nice mix. Add 2 spoons of ketchup and mix it well. Add 1 cup of water and cook it for 4 to 5 minutes in low flame. Now I am adding boiled potato. This will help us to get a nice binding for our chicken stuffing. Now add 50 grams of breadcrumbs. This will create a crispy taste to our masala mix. Add coriander and pudina leaves and give it a nice mix. Add 1 spoon of lemon juice. Our stuffing is ready. Keep it aside to cool. Once the mix becomes cool, I will mash it thoroughly so that the mixture becomes smooth and can be wrapped around the egg. Now apply just a little oil in your hand and take around 50 to 60 grams of mix for each stuffing. Flatten this over your palm. Add a little slice of cheese if you have it handy and place the half egg over it. Carefully wrap the chicken mix around it and create an oval shape. Make sure it wrapped evenly. With the help of both the hands, I will make each of them carefully. It should look like this. You can see I made all 6 of them. Now arrange 3 bowls as I have here. One having maida, one with beaten eggs and one with breadcrumbs. Now first coat it with maida thoroughly and dip it into beaten eggs. And then wrap it with breadcrumbs. I am using my right hand for dry ingredients and left hand for wet ingredients. We need to do this as we don't want our wet eggs to be mixed with the breadcrumbs and spoil the coating. Once the first coating is done, put it again in eggs and then again in breadcrumbs to have a double coating. I have added salt in all the 3 items. After 2 coats, it will look like this. Now keep this in refrigerator for 1 hour. Add oil to the pan to deep fry our egg devil. The oil has to be medium heated. Now one by one add egg devil to it very carefully. Fry them until they become golden brown in color. Occasionally roll them so that you do not overcook them. Fry it in medium flame. My egg devil is ready. As we have already cooked our masalas, it didn't take much time. I will serve them with green salad. Now look how all the layers are clearly visible. With each bite, you will get the taste of chicken, cheese and egg along with the crispy wrapper. If you have enjoyed this recipe, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I will come back soon with another tasty recipe. Till then, take care and stay tuned to my channel. Bye.